What is the point? Why are you showing us this?
This scene was edited because it's the core of the story. And also concerns the race that you guys didn't do well. I mean, you didn't perform well in this particular scene. More especially Alison.
What? Me? What are you trying to suggest?
Alison, I am not suggesting that you're not a good actress. You are a good actress. But this particular set was not right. I didn't expect you to just give me anything because of your status. I expected more from you.
Are you questioning my acting ability now?
Alison, that is not what I am saying.
That's exactly what you are saying. You're trying to tell me I'm a poor actress. Alison, calm down. This is getting out of hand. Do not calm me down. This woman here is trying to tell me I do not know how to act. Do you know how many awards I have to my credit? I mean, do you have the slightest idea how high I am ranked in the market? I mean, you should be grateful. Yes, that I actually took your script.
Alison, I know how influential you are when it comes to this industry. I know of your brand, and that is why we came for you. So please, don't get me wrong. But
what? But what? Ungrateful people. Yes, ungrateful. You know, the only reason why I am seated here is because the script is good, not the pay. And I mean, you couldn't even pay me and you sit here to say this to me. You know what?
no. You know what?
Me? Alison, get out of your office.
Get out.
Get out! What just happened?
She terminated contract. Look, Miss Paula, I'm a very huge fan of your works, yourself, and your productions. But I can't just be on the fly with just anybody. You know, the people I act along with are very necessary to my brand. It's better you bring her back than you have me. If not.
If not what? You what? Get out. Out. I said, get out now. Out! Are you also leaving?
Of course not. You know I'm not like these people. I'm finishing what I was paid to do. I'm not like them. Because of my humility and loyalty to you, I'm not even bothered about taking the lead role. Everything is going to be fine. Just look at the bright side and I'm always there for you. Always. Okay?
Thank you, Jen. Have a blessed day.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Stupid girl. Alison? Talking back at me? Who does she think she is? Who is that girl in the first place? After giving her such a huge role, well, she just missed. We take them and make them stars, and at the end of the day, they won't look at us and tell us how they feel. Almost sorry, I don't want them to say Facebook or so, Instagram or so. No more post pictures. To say, when they don't get roles, then they will sit in the house and say, you Me wa no bubo mo be ye. Ma chole. Ma sure this girl and who is that guy too? Is it Legacy or Firecy or whatever? I will make sure that I will make sure that no production house be at the form. My goodness. This time my name is Mrs. Paula. You will regret dealing with me. Damn it.
Did I interrupt?
I've been out.
No. Tell me, do you hear from Irene?
No. Any problem?
Well, I wanted to come home. I will apologize to her. I know I've been stupid. And I know you talked to her. Tell her I miss her. Okay. Let me leave you to continue whatever you're doing.
Project work. I'm done. Okay.
Project work.
I'm done. Seriously, you want to inspect?
Yeah.
Sure.
Good luck.
How are you? You did this compound?
Yes.
Yeah, I see, because they wear this thing. And this weather is calling for something sweet, something nice. But anyway, it's fine. But so where were you going?
I'm checking something down there.
Checking something down there. You keep checking. You can check for Africa, my dear. You check for Africa.
Hey, you're back early today.
Yeah. I forgot something. Have you cooked?
No, you guys always come home very late.
Okay, anyway, don't worry.
Hey, where are you guys shooting today?
And why do you want to know?
Nothing. I just want to know.
Okay. You still want to know where we're shooting, huh?
Yes.
That's
where are you guys shooting today?
Yeah. I don't know why you want to know.
I only just want to know.
Yeah. Okay, so now, if I tell you where we are shooting, what will I get in return?
You know what? Tell me where you guys are shooting, and you'll get what you want in return.
I'll get
What you want in return.
See, three junctions away from here. Yeah, there's one huge yellow house. That's the place.
Oh, okay, that house.
Yeah.
I heard it from my place.
Yeah, me too. I hear that too. I hear. You know, when you promise people, my one second. Yeah, now, 1 second.
Please, I'm looking for the producer. Where is he?
Producer, is everything okay?
Yes. I want to talk to him about something.
But our producer is not a guy. Our producer is a female. So I'm I'm confused. But is there any way I can help you? What's the matter? Talk to me if maybe I can help you.
I want to see him. It's urgent.
Is this the producer you're talking about?
Yes.
This guy?
Yes.
What? Come on, what did do you? You tell him say be producer. What did do you? Ah, you did mad. You did drink tramadol. Tell him who you be. Tell him who you be.
Production assistant. Only.
Sorry.
Just like that? He promised me something better, so I left my home. Your friend tried to rape me. You're not even a producer.
He's not a producer.
Don't you ever come closer to me again. I forbid you.
You see this kind of stupid things they do I know they like. Can't they talk to you? You see the stupid things they do I know they like. What kind of stupidity it is? You the top person be producer. Eh? You get sense? Mr. Producer, tomorrow we get meeting with the producer. Don't be late. I mean you to be producer, so we go see who be the real producer for them.
Samson, you know we have a big problem.
But I'm not that serious. I mean, I think there's
What do you mean I'm exaggerating? That is why we have called him here. You know that? Well, Uncle Man, we want you to rewrite the script. And if not entirely everything, but we have to make some few changes in the script.
But this one is not good enough.
It's good.
we all know you're a very good script writer, but then, due to one or two reasons, you want some changes in the script.
Sorry, if you said it's good enough, I don't know why you want me to rewrite the script.
Like I said, we just want some few changes. That is why we have called you here.
Because our actors are very nice. We have too many issues. They've decided to abandon this project, but they've given us the right to release the other thing in the other project. So all we need from you is to rewrite it, shed more light on Jane, and anything like that.
Well, if the actors worked out on the set, I mean, anyone can take the lead role. So what are you suggesting?
I mean, all I'm trying to say is anyone can play the lead role if they give them the chance.
Uncle Ma, we are not having this conversation. We called you here to give you a job to do.
I'm the director. I call the shots. All I'm saying is we want you to rewrite the script. Are you ready for that?
I mean, I have a friend. She's a very, very good actress. She can also play the other character as well. I mean, I wrote the script.
Hey, are you ready to write the script to change, make some changes?
Alright, then let's go. Sorry, I want to ask a question. Please, who is the Minister for Culture?
Is he okay? Are you stupid? Are we? I don't get you. Come on, get out of this place. Look, Samson, get him to check in. Let him get out. The minister is Fred Amugi. Get out.